Hello students, this is lecture 43 based on your third unit for the subject sensor and instrumentation. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss about this advantage of the virtual instrumentation techniques. Okay, so what are the advantages for that virtual instrumentation? Clear? So let's talk. Let's just discuss one by one. Okay, so just okay. First of all, in yesterday lecture we had discussion on this data types. Okay, what are the data types and some discussion on the graphical programming techniques. Okay, and previous there we have already discussed about this virtual instrumentation. What is the virtual instrumentation? Why we are uh, doing this analysis or designing on this platform. Okay, so today some important point related to this advantages of this virtual techniques. So I'm just writing the advantages. Okay, okay. So if I talk about the current scenario, engineers and scientists, okay, uh, whose needs, application and requirements change very quickly. Okay. So in current scenario, if I talk about the term is the flexibility. Okay. So flexibility in terms of, I can write it in terms of changing requirements. Okay. So why I'm saying this? For example, when we were discussing about this advantages of analog and digital. Okay, so suppose you want to design one instrument, okay, that is uh, doing the measurement in kilometer distance. Okay, now your requirement just quickly change and you want to consider that measurement in the meter. Then after, suppose if you want to change again, so your requirement is going to change, uh, okay, time to time. Okay, so if you are going to design a system, or suppose for you, if you are doing designing a system and it will take around 10 days. Okay, let's see, you want to design this system. Okay, design this system. Okay, and it is taking 10 days to complete. Okay, now suppose after 5 days your requirement has been changed. This is just an example. Okay, so what you have to do, whatever you have designed, okay, that was designed on the basis of previous requirement. Now after 5 days, you were saying that my design parameters has been changed or my requirements has been changed. So what you have to do, you have to again process the start the process from the first day, because as per the previous requirement you have designed some parameter or some hardware part. Now you want to change this, so you have to replace again the hardware. Okay, so what we do, rather than designing this part, okay, just design the on this platform, virtual instrumentation. Okay, so you have to do this analysis. Okay, and software will simulate all the parameters. And if suppose your requirement is going to change, what you have to do, you just change your parameter on the tools. Okay, so the starting processor, जो start में हमारा time waste हो रहा था, okay, time, cost, hardware, everything was wasting, we can reduce with the help of this thing. Okay, so flexibility is available. Okay, next thing, you can see the result, okay, on the your simulation tools, that is your on LabVIEW also. Okay, suppose आपने एक कोई इंडस्ट्री सेटअप की, okay, उस इंडस्ट्री में you have some machines also. Okay, now the machines are operating at room temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, and you want to see the performance of your machine. Okay, now suppose somehow your temperature of this environment has been increased at 31 degrees Celsius. Okay, now you want to see the performance. So these type of data you can simulate or you can design on this platform. Okay, there will be just one controlling panel. You have to switch, reduce and increase the temperature, and you can see the your okay, and we all know we are using this inbuilt और जो एनालिसिस है उसकी जो जो कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकते हैं हार्डवेयर के, दे आर इनबिल्ट इन दिस सॉफ्टवेयर टूल्स. Okay, so they will give you the simulation results. Okay, suppose if you are going to change your parameters, how this system after design, after manufacturing, okay, it will react. So these things you can check on the tools. Okay, so first and very important thing is the your flexibility. Second, if I talk about the, if I want to some advantages, okay, so firstly I will write it on all the advantages. Okay, so first one is the your performance. Performance in terms of your speed and flexibility. Okay, second thing, your platform independent nature, that is not depending upon the your environmental condition, because all the things you are simulated on tool software part. Okay, so we already talk about the flexibility, lower cost, cost of measurement, and applications. Okay, and fast response time, low hardware required, or low hardware. I'm just writing the low hardware because you don't require to change your hardware again and again. Firstly, you have to implement your design on software tools. Okay, your lesser configuration time. Okay, next one is the data security. Okay, anyway, so these are the your advantages of these techniques. Okay, we have been discussing about this term performance. Okay, so performance we can say in the terms of speed and flexibility. Okay, so speed of the getting output. Okay, so the delay parameter is less in the case of this virtual instrumentation. Okay, platform independent nature. Okay, so your simulation result are independent of the this environmental conditions. Okay, suppose something is happening, raining or humidity is too much. Okay, temperature is very high, so you can create all these things in your environment within the tool. Okay, so that is not depending. Suppose if you want to design a system where the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Now, if you are doing a designing your system or manufacturing your system in summer, okay, so obviously you have to control your the temperature. So you have to design one room to cooling system to design at a particular 25 degrees Celsius. Now, so if you are going to manufacture directly, you have to invest your cost to maintaining this temperature for cooling environment. Okay, but in this case, all the things are you can do uh, on this platform. Okay, so you can just increase and decrease the temperature and see the analysis. Okay, and see the designing behavior, output behavior of your system. Okay, so you no need to invest your cost, lower cost. So as we know, जैसे कि हमने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया था, अब अगर आप हार्डवेयर अपना या सिस्टम में जो हार्डवेयर यूज हो रहा है उसे बार बार रिप्लेस करोगे तो योर कॉस्ट विल बी इंक्रीजेस. ओके, बट इन दिस केस क्या हो रहा है, टूल्स पे ही आप सारी पहले सबसे पहले से आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप जो भी पैरामीटर्स है उन पैरामीटर्स को लेके आप जो टूल है उस पर सिमुलेट कर रहे हो. Okay, and suppose you are not getting desired output, then you are going to change your parameters. और उन पैरामीटर्स को आप ऑप्टिमाइज जब एक बार हो जाएंगे, then finally you decided कि now the your designing is perfect, then you go to the hardware part or manufacturing part. Okay, so in this case you can reduce the your cost. So if you are reducing the your hardware cost, so obviously you are reducing the overall cost of the system. Clear? Now, cost of the measurement and application. Obviously, you don't have required any other peripheral devices or interfacing devices to measurement. Okay, because all the measurement is doing by this LabVIEW. Internally, if you want to measurement in centimeter, just pick a tool. Okay, in schematic diagram or schematic design, just pick the meter which is measuring in centimeter. So that is our software base. Okay, so there have a different uh, suppose you have a this scale and here different meters are available. Okay, so as a software part, okay, tool के अंदर inbuilt है ये. So that meter is giving in centimeter, millimeter, meter, kilometer. So whatever you want to check your displacement measurement in meters, so just pick this or drag this block over in schematic diagram and connect the connection. It will give you the in the form of your meter. So easily all the meters as a part of software is available. All the tools are available in this LabVIEW. Okay, So measurement cost is very easy. Okay, fast response time. Okay, so if I talk about this fast response time means आपने input दिया, आपको output मिला. So response time is good. Okay, once you have designed your system on this tool, just give the input. Quickly it will give you the output. Okay, so if the system is very high or complex, then maybe it is possible your response time is increases, but it will give you your output within a second. Okay, so based on the application size, low hardware, we already discussed. Lesser configuration time. Okay, so changing because theoretically you have the results. Practically, you just have quickly change the value. Just enter with your system. Suppose you have a keyboard system and you want to change the parameter. Just override your parameters and run the program. Okay, so configuration time is very less. Okay, and obviously data security. Okay, whatever your data is getting at the output side, you can store it and the data is more secure. So you can do the some security algorithm, okay, on this data, and you can increase your security. Okay, if I talk about your LabVIEW tool, okay, so whatever is data is storing in your tool, no one can access. Okay, until unless if they don't have access on your system. Okay, so the data is secure. So these are the some advantages. Okay, so I hope I have cleared all of it and we had discussed all these advantages. There are so many advantages. You can take any other examples also. Okay,